All right, we're doing the Bud Light Seltzer, Ginger Snap. It's part of the holiday pack that they came out with. 5% alcohol, of course, made by Anheuser-Busch. Another coat cozies. It's fucking cold right now.
Yeah, it is. Really cold.
Yeah.
At least we don't see our breath anymore.
Right. Oh, damn. That's
Ooh, smells like ginger snaps.
Yeah, it sure does.
Does he have ginger, but you have all the other spices in there, too?
Yeah.
Like when they're talking about a holiday pack, you know, Christmas season, Thanksgiving season, if you're in the U.S., pack. Yeah. These flavors are spot on.
Oh, they're great. Yeah, that smells good. Oh, it's there.
Yeah.
It's like a gingerbread man cookie.
Yeah. Ginger snaps.
Yeah.
It's like crispy little ginger cookies.
Right?
Yeah.
It's just like a fucking...
With a little bit of like mace or nutmeg or something, just kind of the hint of that in there, and definitely the rest of the spices.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. The cinnamon.
Yeah, but not quite pumpkin spice all the way to the extreme with those. More just like a little bit of the ginger and the cinnamon and the like kind of a little mace or something in there.
Yeah, that's good.
It is pretty good. Again, it's crisp and light and refreshing, but it's not it's not a flavor you would expect.
No.
At all to be drinking.
Pretty much like an alcoholic ginger ale.
I know, yeah, it kind of is actually. Except with the spices in it. It's not it's not just the ginger, it's the whole thing. It's like a whole, I mean, it's like the gingerbread. It's like a ginger cookie.
Yep.
You know?
Totally reminds you. The taste and smells are totally Christmas-like, and it just reminds you of it.
It's like Thanksgiving in New England. Just super refreshing. Again, not like overly carbonated though. I would almost like it to be more carbonated for this.
Yeah, to get that ginger ale feel, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's kind of what I'm going for. I mean, I know it's a different thing, but it would be nice if it was just a little bit more effervescent.
I agree on that one. Pumpkin pie would be real good with this.
It would, or ginger snaps.
Well, of course, yeah.
With ice cream, though, you could do some like vanilla bean ginger ice cream, or just vanilla bean ice cream. Yeah, with some really good like fresh whipped cream.
Oh, yeah.
It would be tasty.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this would be really good with that. It would also be good with foods that are spiced similarly to this, too, like meats that you would put a lot of the spice on and things like that.
Oh, yeah. That's a good point.
Or even like a pot roast or something.
Ooh, yeah. No
just
shit.
hearty food would be. I mean, desserts, absolutely. Of course.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Of course. But rotisserie chicken, smoked turkey, roasted turkey.
Yeah.
Pot roast.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good, man.
Yeah, you drink a couple of these like on the ski slopes or something, you know, it's like in your pocket.
A lodge or something when you're hunkered in for the night, having dinner.
Yeah, go out and shovel the snow and get all sweaty and hot and come in and crack one of these bastards with your fire going and everything.
Oh, yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah. Or if you're just out on the beach barbecuing for Christmas because it's nice where you're for Christmas, then you have an ice chest full of these bastards. And the cranberry ones and everything.
Celebrate it right.
That'd be fun. Out on the beach with this and some shrimp or crayfish or something.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I'm literally impressed with Bud on this.
I know.
I never thought I'd say that.
I thought the flavors, except for the cranberry, were all crazy. Maybe the apple.
Yeah.
But like ginger and the peppermint one.
Ooh, those are good.
Thought, what the fuck's this shit? And
they pulled it off really well.
They did. They did.